Hello and welcome to another one of D's ADD videos. We're going to be discussing matrix basics. Just some vocabulary to introduce you to matrices, some concepts that you might need to know as you're getting started. So, what is a matrix? Well, a matrix is a rectangular array of numbers consisting of rows and columns. There are different types of matrices that represents these equations. There's the first type we're going to deal with is called a coefficient matrix. And for the coefficient matrix, basically what you do is, as the name implies, write down the coefficients of your variables. These variables could have just as easily been ABCs, C1, C2, C3s, X, Y, Z's, okay? Don't let the fact that they're different throw you off. So the coefficient matrix here would be 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, negative 1, negative 2. Alright? You might be asked to find an augmented matrix. Okay? An augmented matrix is a coefficient matrix with the solutions tagged on the end. So everything would be the same for this one, except for I like to put a dashed line there. Oops, there we go. And then we would have the solution of 2, and then 2, 3, 1, 3, and then 1, negative 1, negative 2, 0. Alright? Another type of matrix you might be asked to recognize is the identity matrix. And depending on the size of your matrix, the identity matrix will be a square matrix consisting of a main diagonal of 1s and zeros above and below these 1s. So this one would be referred to as I3. You could have I2 or I4, as long as there's a main diagonal of 1s and zeros above and below. You will be asked to solve the system of equations using what's called row operations. There will be a separate video for that. It's just a little introduction of some vocabulary words that you might see when dealing with matrices. The two ways you should be using these row operations to solve are called either Gaussian elimination or Gauss-Jordan. Okay, and there will be a video for both of those. So to recap real quick, we're going to use these matrices to solve tedious algebra in a structured fashion using a rectangular array of numbers, and it'll cut down on the tediousness of dealing with all these variables. And you should know how to find a coefficient matrix. Write the numbers down in front. Augmented matrix is going to be the solutions tagged on at the very end over here. If a number is missing, say this x2 right here just was not there, it was x1 minus 2x3, you would put a 0 in this spot right there. Okay? But these are the identity matrices, and that is the video. So I hope things have been clarified, and make sure you check out the example videos for the row operations. Thank you and have a nice day.